Halo guys, kembali lagi bersama gua Zikri. Kita kali ini mau ngelanjutin main Hogwarts Legacy ya guys ya. Langsung aja kita mulai. Langsung kita mulai aja ya. Gua udah level 22, terus progresnya udah 26% kalau nggak salah. Nah, kita langsung aja buka open quest log. Oh, di Filipindo, Bombarda. Acquire Dairy Crow. Dairy Crow with Nap Snack. Dairy Crow tuh di mana tadi? Wait. Complete Professional Achievement. Next Keeper. Oke, nanti lah ini dulu ya. Kita mau dapetin Bombarda, Flipendo, Ares Momentum. Yang ulti belum ada, Pak. Transformation. Weasley, collect the Harbor. Jadi gue nyoba ini deh, Owens nih ya, achievement untuk menyelesaikan side quest. Dimana ini? Oh my god, jauh banget guys ternyata. Kita buka world map ya. Ternyata oh di sini. Oke, kita berarti pindah dari sini aja. Langsung pakai wait. Udah jadi ding. Wings apa? Hog wings apalah itulah namanya, gue lupa. Wait, gua nah ada ya, enak ya. Ini ke langsung aja kita pakai Hog wings. Tapi gue ngerasanya malah enakan pakai broom sih daripada Hog wings. Oke, nggak apa-apa lah. Beli sinematik guys, bener-bener yang kayak sinematiknya tuh enak banget gitu. Acquire. Oh, kita suruh
This could prove dangerous if I'm not careful.
Kita suruh nangkap ini kah? Wait, coba kita mungkin disuruh tangkap itu. Ini kita bekuin aja ya kali ya kalau selesai.
Confringo! Expelliarmus! Defender!
Nggak perkara aja orang gue cuman pengen nangkap hewan-hewan ini.
Glacier!
Nice.
Assignment's all finished.
Pakein aja deh. Wait, kalau bisa teleport mending teleport. Tapi ini disuruh kemana? Disuruh kemana sih tuh? Attend Beast Class. Oh, kalau N tuh itu guys, kalau M tuh map. Kita suruh ke Beast Class ya. Kita ke Hogwarts lagi. Terus kita attend di sini. Beast Classroom. Semoga masih sempat guys ya ngupload hari ini. Nah, kita attend. Paling wait dulu nggak sih, kayaknya ini udah malam. Oh enggak deh. So cute. Moon calf. Ini tuh hewan apa ini ya? Kok belum udah dapat belum ya? Dragon.
Excellent work today. Class dismissed.
Berapa sih?
I take it you're ready to learn your new...
I completed your assignment, Professor. I'm ready to learn Bombarda now.
Good.
Nice.
Now, this spell comes with a caveat. It should only be used when necessary. The exploding charm, as you might suspect, can hurt people. Use caution when casting it.
Use caution, of course.
I will, Professor.
I will hold you to that promise. Now, you must be precise in your wand movements. We don't want you blowing your hand off. Go ahead. Nice and steady wand movements.
Nice.
Remember, the exploding charm is highly
Spasi
volatile.
F. Kanan, kanan. Kanan. Spasi. Nice, Bombarda. We learn Bombarda.
Well
Thank you,
done.
Mister.
Now, let us put it into practice.
Mari kita chop Bombarda ya guys ya.
Go ahead.
Bombarda.
Try it on your customers.
Sampingnya kan.
Excellent wand work. Cast the spell just like that every time.
Revelio.
Assured and in control.
Pencet. Nice, kita move lagi. Kita ke quest selanjutnya ya. Itu Weasley, Profesor Weasley ya. Boleh deh kita nyelesain ini ya. Untuk lanjut ke acara event apa namanya? Field Guide Harbor. Mana ini? Sini kah? Semoga nggak ribet ya guys ya. Oh, Underground Harbor. Aku belum pernah kesini kayaknya. Oh, ada lift kah? Semacam lift gitu. Oh iya betul.
So this is the underground harbor.
Gimana sih? Suruh kemana sih? Balik lagi ke tempat yang tadi. Collect field page configuration library. Underground Harbor. Kenapa disuruh naik lagi? Kita disuruh ngumpulin kayak paper gitu ya. Field guide di sini. Nah, kita
Revelio.
heard. Aku sebenarnya kayak ngedenger sesuatu gitu. Kasian banget sih gue ngeliatnya tadi, nggak apa lah.
Revelio.
Oh di sana. Duh. sini. Astaga. Ngadep ke sini. Nah, that's it.
Revelio.
Sama satu lagi di Transfiguration in the Library, Intermediate Transfiguration Library. Satu lagi disuruh ke library. Mana dia?
Bombarda. Expelliarmus. Confringo.
Satu doang kah? Sini kayak ada apa di bawah sana ya?
Confringo.
Apaan tuh? Oh, broom.
Revelio.
Udah gue nyalain. Terus questnya mana? Puzzle ini, gue yakin ini puzzle. Nanti gue mau cari tahu ya. Puzzle. Kita ke library dulu aja.
Win, but don't be shy, for I can't wait to watch you try.
Agak buffering ya, agak like Leonora.
That book Professor Weasley asked me to find should be around here somewhere.
Ini ke naik sini.
Revelio.
Oh, step. Cermin kah?
Reading can be as magical
Oh, ada
as
cermin
any
guys di
spell.
sana.
Why can't
Nanti ke cermin.
students see that?
Nanti ke cermin itu ya.
Looking for the book Intermediate Transfiguration.
Professor Weasley asked me to, get something from that book. May I have it?
Did she now? I'll give you this book if you humour me by answering a few questions from my quiz.
Oh
Quiz.
my god.
Some people call bits of knowledge trivia. I would argue that no knowledge is trivial. Hence, I have created a small quiz, just for fun, focusing mainly on the lore of the wizarding world.
Kita cuma
None of
minta
the
kertas
other
dikasih
students will
tebak-tebakan
try it,
nih guys.
no
ya.
matter how many times I ask. They all say they have enough with schoolwork. Ugh, they don't value knowledge the way I do. Surely you're interested. I'll even start you off with a few of my easiest questions.
A quiz sounds like fun.
Splendid! Just a few questions and then I'll hand over this book. Let us begin. Before the invention of the golden snitch, which magical creature was used in a game of Quidditch?
Before the invitation of Golden Snitch, which magical creature was used in game Quidditch? Paling atas aja lah ya, percaya diri
The
ya.
Golden Snuggery.
No. Incorrect. The answer was the golden snidget. The snidget was first introduced to Quidditch in 1269 by a
Gua nggak
wizard
tahu,
named
mana
Arthur
gua
Spragg.
tahu guys.
Sadly, they're
Masa
thought
gua
to be
harus googling
extinct.
dulu?
Next question. Which potion is commonly referred to as liquid luck?
Banyak ternyata pertanyaannya.
The Alihotzi draft.
I'm afraid the answer was Felix Felicis. Since it makes the drinker temporarily lucky, Felix
Astaga.
Felicis is a banned substance in all organized competitions. The tale of the three brothers involves which magical artifacts?
The Founder's relics.
No, the answer was the Deathly Hallows.
3 pertanyaan,
According to Beedle the
3-3-nya
Bard,
salah.
the Deathly Hallows consist of the Elder Wand, the Resurrection Stone, and the Cloak of Invisibility. Which ball in Quidditch is the largest?
Masih ada pertanyaannya ternyata. The snitch deh.
The snitch.
I'm sorry, but the correct answer was the quaffle. When a chaser throws the quaffle through one of 3 hoops in a Quidditch match,
Astaga.
their team is awarded 10 points. True or false? Polyjuice potion allows the drinker to change species.
True.
True.
Actually, the answer was false.
Tuh.
While
Udah.
Polyjuice potion
Cuman 2
can be used
pilihan
to
aja
change
masih
things
salah
such
ya.
as age or race, it cannot be used to change species. Well, I suppose this has gone on long enough. I'll put the book back on the pedestal now. If you're inclined to test your knowledge again, I have plenty more questions I could ask you. And I won't be giving you any more easy questions either. The next ones will be more difficult.
Boleh deh,
I'd
langsung
like to
aja deh.
answer more questions.
What governmental body directly preceded the Ministry of Magic?
Eh,
The Wizards' Council.
That's correct. The Wizards' Council disbanded in 1707 after the creation of the International Statute of Wizarding Secrecy, which required a more structured government to support its enforcement. Which dragon breed is the smallest?
The Peruvian Vipertooth.
Brilliant! Though the Vipertooth is the smallest breed,
Banyak banget
averaging at
pertanyaannya.
around 15 feet in length, it is also the fastest breed and feared for its venomous fangs. Who founded the village of Hogsmeade?
Hengis dong, pasti dong.
Hengist of Woodcroft.
Hengis.
That's right.
Hengis
It is
of
believed
Woodcroft.
that Hengist used the 3 Broomsticks Inn as his home. The Hide Behind was accidentally created by crossbreeding a ghoul with what other magical creature?
Demiguise.
A demiguise.
Yes! While the Hide Behind has the power of
Masih ada
invisibility,
pertanyaannya
those
banyak
who've
banget,
seen
guys.
it have described it as a tall, thin monkey with silver hair. What is the only spell known to repel a Lethifold?
Lethifold. Spell noun.
The Patronus charm.
Well done. The only known survivor of a Lethifold attack was a wizard named Flavius Belby, who was on holiday in Papua New Guinea at the time.
New Guinea.
Who published the law of elemental transfiguration?
Who published? Sproggan.
Gamp.
That's it. One of the principal exceptions to Gamp's law is that food cannot be conjured, though it can be summoned. What does the Hogwarts motto translate to?
Never take a sleeping dragon.
Never tickle a sleeping dragon.
Never
Correct.
take a sleeping
In
dragon.
Latin, the Hogwarts motto is Draco Dormiens Nunquam Titilandus. Which magical creature is the only one known to produce eggs through its mouth?
Runespur.
The rune spore.
That's
Runespur.
right. According to Parcel
Astaga,
Mouse,
banyak kali
each of the
pertanyaannya, bah.
rune's paws 3 heads serves a different function. The left head is the planner, the middle is the dreamer, and the right is the critic. Where is Ilvermorny School of Witchcraft and Wizardry located?
Pasti namun kira lagi his big
Mount Greylock.
Well done! The American school was founded in the
Astaga,
17th
masih ada
century
juga
by
pertanyaannya
Isolde
ternyata.
Sayre and James Stewart. What is the most powerful love potion known to wizard kind?
Felixir Amortensia.
Amatentia.
That's
Amortensia.
the answer. Amatentia smells differently to every person according to what they find attractive, such as dusty book covers or... Are you interested in continuing on to the next round? They're my most difficult questions.
I don't have time for another quiz at the moment.
That's fine. Come and find me if you'd like to try later.
Terus kertasnya mana?
I put the book back on the pedestal for you.
Oh, nih.
Revelio ought to make quick work of this. Professor Weasley's tasks are
Astaga.
complete. I should attend Transfiguration.
Sini kayak lebih dekat ya. Seharusnya lebih dekat sih lihat situ. Mungkin kita nyelesain satu main quest aja guys ya. Kita nyelesain semuanya, habis itu ada main quest.
Revelio.
Gue denger sesuatu. Tapi di mana ya? Oke, denger. Gue denger
Handy
sesuatu
resource
guys.
indeed, your field fire.
Tapi di mana ya?
Lumos. Revelio.
That's it, the kupu-kupu.
Lumos.
I question whether I
Nice. Wait. Kayak ada,
Revelio.
kok kayak ada chest ya, tapi di mana ya? Di sini. Kayak di atas sana kah?
What you did in Cross Wands was fantastic.
I heard Professor Weasley transfigured the book with all her test answers into an
Nice, kita bertemu dengan Profesor Weasley.
Beautiful.
Goodness. Settle down, settle down. Transfiguration, as you may be weary of hearing me say, is an exact science that can take a
Dapat apa ya kira-kira
lifetime
ya?
to master. But we needn't be daunted. Almost anything can be transformed if you can just perceive the potential within it, as I see in all of you. tremendous witches and wizards, every one of them.
Tremendous,
Or it
tremendous,
could
tremendous.
just be my eyesight. Now, you all know what to do.
Transformation. Gua nggak nemu ya magic ini.
Beautifully done. Class is dismissed.
That's it?
And remember, now is not the time to ease off your
You wanted to discuss my progress so far this term, Professor.
I did. You seem to have had no trouble in getting up to speed. And frankly, excelling in your schoolwork this year.
Thank you, Professor. The extra assignments have been helpful.
As I suspected they would be. Now, it seems you've been making good use of the opportunities presented by your field guide. Of course, the guide isn't the only measure of success. I've heard that you can brew an impressive Edurus potion. Hopefully, you won't need it anytime soon, but it is a valuable potion to have when it is needed.
Thank you, Professor.
I will say I'm especially impressed with all you've accomplished in light of the rumors of your extracurricular activities. Were your meetings with Professor Black's house elf and exploration of various caves down by the lake connected in any way to Professor Fig?
Professor Fig has encouraged me to explore when I can in an effort to complete my field guide.
I see. I admire your penchant for learning, but do remember that your classwork and field guide are designed to educate you thoroughly. It'll be the end of the year in no time, and you'll want to be well prepared for your OWLs. I'll provide a final assessment at that time to ensure that you're ready for your exams. Until then, well done. You are dismissed. If you wish to practice the spell you just learned, the training dummy is available.
Wait, ini bisa dipakai kah? Jadi
Glad to see you are paying close attention to my demonstration of the transformation spell.
bisa diubah guys ternyata. Tapi nunggunya lama ya.
Levioso! Triptych. Meet me at the overlook, just north of...
Confringo!
My plan is to help with failed, but I have another idea. I think we may be...
Accio! Wingardium Leviosa!
Meet me there, and bring someone who speaks gobbledygook.
I remember our meet mentioning
Oh,
something
main
about
questnya udah kebuka tuh
gobbledygook.
dua. Main questnya udah kebuka dua guys. Yuk kita ke wait. Coba kita cek dulu ya. Questnya ada dua. Shadow of Mind sama Gobbledygook. Flipendo Flying near the spars. Ours the Momentum, the Pulso. The Lost Child. Dragon the Brief. Kurang 6 lagi nih guys. Ala Amora. Coba ini ya, kita lihat ini nggak ada yang bisa, mau gue jual aja. Sini. Terus tuh talentnya ada 2 guys, tapi gue tuh bingung. Gue mau upgrade ini tapi belum bisa. Gue harus belajar Flipendo. Oke, gue belajar Flipendo dulu ya. Gue harus belajar Flipendo. Acquire all 3 combat friend and use them. Masih ada lagi. Nah, masih ada lagi yang pencet nanti aja lah, biarlah. Tap. Ini udah, ini ada. Venomous Tentacula. Coba gua ke sini dulu ya. Aduh, ngobrol sama Dik kayaknya deh. Kalau ini udah mulai main quest berarti gua langsung nyelesain main quest aja kalau gua nyampe. Oh enggak ya. Acquire to combat pass and use them. Wait, kita
You should be proud of all the potions.
Venomous Tentacula. Gua mau MT 15 menit guys. Underbrew lagi. Mantriknya pak. Oh nice. Ini vegan. Sayang itu nggak bisa ditanam ya kayaknya. Ditani leaves. Gue mau ke sini deh. Gue naruhin dulu hewannya dulu. Aha. Highway. Aquarium. Oh nggak bisa lagi. Dollar. Oh udah nggak bisa lagi guys. Agak melas sih tapi nggak apa-apa lah gua. Jabar kenyal. Dulu kali ya. Dulu lah. Gua mau
Confringo. Bombarda.
Gua mau nyelesain misi ini. Acquire oke. Ini apa nih?
I don't have anything for this at the moment.
Gua butuh ke belum selesai guys ini tapi Thunder Bro. Waduh. Son of the dead. Nice, terus apa lagi ya gue butuhnya ya? Oh, gue selesai main quest dulu ya? Selesai main quest dulu deh. Tapi gue pengen belajar. Kalau kita selesaikan main quest dulu aja. intinya. Speak with Emmett. Di mana Emmett berada? Tapi Emmett adanya di mana? Suruh keluar dulu deh dari sini. Gue suruh keluar dulu kalau mau ngobrol sama Emmett, biar bisa ke detect mapnya. Kalau gue masih di room of requirement. Nah baru dia bisa speak with Emmett. Mending kita itu dulu atau belajar Flipain udah, padahal nanti aja dah. Habis ini udahlah, ini dulu. Speak with Emmett. Kita ketemu Emmett dulu ya guys ya. Di mana kah Emmett berada? Juga kesemutan guys. Kita bertemu dengan Emmett dulu. Wait, Emmett tuh kalau nggak salah yang ngajarin ngelihat bintang itu nggak sih kayaknya? Ngelihat rasi bintang.
Revelio.
Wait, sekalian deh udah lewat sini.
Lumos. Revelio.
Harus ada kupu-kupu.
Professor Weasley must be exhausted.
Wah, ada kupu-kupu. Di bawah or di atas? Nggak lihat ya. Oh itu dia. Di atas gitu ternyata kupu-kupunya.
Revelio.
Wait ya, kita ini dulu.
Lumos.
Nice.
Hello there. Hello, Almeet. Do I recall you saying that you speak gobbledygook?
I did.
Gobbledygook.
I do. Speak it. Is this to do with the goblin I saw you with in Hogsmeade?
It is. His name is Lodgok. We could use your help with something. He's waiting for me near a goblin mine. Would you be willing to help?
Of course. How exciting. I mean, well, might this be dangerous?
I think he simply wants to show me something that involves gobbledygook.
Gobbledygook.
If it helps, he's a friend of Sirona's.
Good to hear. Good to hear. If Sirona trusts him, then I feel much better.
Lodgok is waiting. Shall we go?
Of course. I just want to check the pronunciation of a couple of key terms first. So I will meet you there.
Oke.
Revelio.
Oh. Ada chest guys di situ guys. Gimana caranya biar bisa ke situ? Wait, gue mau ngambil chest dulu ya. Buru apa Amit lama banget kalau jalan ini? Sprint apa sprint? Gobbledygook. misalkan jalan. Jauh juga ternyata ya.
Revelio.
Gue masih bingung itu. Oh, room of requirement. Jauh juga ya guys ya. Cuma map aja lah. Astaga. Naik dari sini aja berarti. Ngapain lari-lari? Gua kira masih dalam Hogwarts kan. Hogwarts Legacy. Pakai sapu aja biar cepet. Mana sih nih?
Let's see what's up your sleeve this time, Merlin.
Wait, gue turun dulu deh. Ya tadi di sini ada yang bisa di klaim. Ada telur. Kayaknya ini telur nggak sih? Dispenser telur. Kemudian tadi satu lagi.
Revelio.
Kalau ada yang bisa di kolek dulu guys ya. Kita ambil dulu aja kalau yang bisa diambil. Apa itu? Oh, ada chest guys. Tapi tidak mungkin semudah itu, kayaknya ada tengkorak-tengkorak deh.
Revelio.
Banyak.
Revelio.
Ada chest guys ternyata di sini. Wait. Gimana caranya gue bisa ke situ? Astaga ya Tuhan. The journey has ended. Checkpoint. Dari mana nih mulai? Oh, dari sini ya. Wait, tunggu dulu, gue mau ambil ini dulu, tapi belum keambil. Apa tadi namanya ya? Nah ini ya. Tak ambil yang tadi.
Revelio.
Nah, ambilin dulu ya. Nggak bisa lanjut anjir. Pentok cok palanya cok. Gue pakai ini deh. Enak.
A friend who speaks
Ada-ada aja.
gobbledygook is meeting us. Before he arrives, perhaps you could tell me why we're here?
Of course. Unfortunately, presenting Ranrock with the helmet of Urtkot did not have the effect I'd
Gue
hoped.
curiga sih Lord Gok
Because
ini
he knew the details surrounding its
jahat,
plunder,
guys.
he presumed I'd had help from a witch or wizard in retrieving it.
How else did he expect Goblinkind to get the helmet back? Seems he has no interest in making amends with you.
I'm afraid we do not have the luxury of rational expectation when it comes to Ranrock. Damn Bragbor and his blasted journals.
Bragbor?
An ancestor of Ranrock's, renowned metal worker. If we are to work together, I suppose I must tell you more. Not long ago, Ranrock sent me to collect a recently unearthed set of Bragbor's journals. They described repositories that Bragbor had been commissioned to build for a group of witches and wizards.
What do you mean, repositories?
Large, magically fortified receptacles crafted from goblin metal. Ranrock recruited others to help me locate the repositories.
Oh
We
my
were
God.
to search anywhere that was connected to 5 names mentioned in the journals. Rackham, Fitzgerald, Bakar, Morganach, and Rookwood.
Rookwood Castle.
That is where we began our search.
Why does Ranrock care so much about these repositories?
He cares about what they contain. For centuries, wizards have refused to share their magical knowledge with goblins. Your kind will not even let us carry wands. Thus, many goblins, myself included, have spent our lives mistrusting wizard kind. Ranrock was convinced that the repositories contained a magical power that wizards wanted to keep for themselves. He is determined to take it for goblin kind. But
Here comes my friend Amit. Probably best to continue our conversation later.
Greetings, Lord Gok. It is an honor, sir.
You speak gobbledygook.
Oh, Bagalio.
Enough. Please do not tell me that was meant to be gobbledygook.
Well, yes. Perhaps my pronunciation was a bit off. I imagine certain dialects differ.
Pronunciation
bahasa
is
ya
not
ternyata.
the issue. I barely recognize that as language. I trust you can read gobbledygook better than you can speak it.
I can, Sir Lord Gok.
Just Lodgok. Thankfully, we only need someone who can decipher written plans, since I cannot join you in the mine.
What written plans? And why can't you come with us?
We need some idea of what Ranrock knows or is plotting. I suspect a careless loyalist may have left plans behind. And I'm unable to join you because I cannot risk anyone reporting my presence to Ranrock. All you need to do is not be seen. Either by the eye above the enchanted door or a loitering loyalist.
Oh, jadi kita nggak
Amit and I
boleh.
can do this.
I will await your
Jangan
return.
sampai ketahuan lah pokoknya ya. Kita mau
I shall see you
menyusup.
soon.
Kita mau nyusup sini guys, Goblin Mine, tapi kita nggak boleh ketahuan. Simpelnya gitu. Jadi namanya itu Goblin Mine.
Revelio.
Ada lagi? Oh ada lagi. Ntar lu ya, lumayan nih gue bisa klaim-klaim nih. Oh ini tadi nggak keklaim berarti pas gua jatuh tadi. Udah keklaim kok yang ini. Itu kan udah. Ya. Ada chest lagi di atas ini. Nggak ada aja naruh chest di atas. Tapi gue butuh. Kayak harus gue jual-jualin guys.
The door is looking at us. Revelio. Bombarda.
Wait, puzzle kah? Oh, I see, paham. Ada matanya ternyata itu.
clever.
Ada mata, the mind's eye, tambang mata tambang, itulah pokoknya ya.
Books so rarely prepare one for reality. A real goblin mine. It's even grander than I had expected.
Revelio.
Lihat-lihat dulu guys ya. Jangan sampai ada yang kelewat. Kalau sekalinya lewat.
I cannot believe I met a goblin.
Let's just learn what we can and get out.
Look at this lift. Impressive workmanship for so simple a device.
Impressive workmanship aside, it's the only way forward. Revelio.
Enggak. Ke situ guys. Ini caranya biar bisa ke situ. Sana keluar. Dah.
Revelio.
I still can't believe we're inside a real goblin mine.
Accio. Revelio.
Satu lagi nih ada. Nggak bisa di ini. Nah, tindihan aja. Mana ini? Wait.
Revelio.
Puzzle kah?
I've read about mines like this, but seeing one is
Accio.
something else altogether.
Mana sini ikut nggak? Nggak berdiri.
Keep your wits about you, Amit. I'll get you through this mine.
Go and patrol. Watch your step round here.
Banyak banget guys.
Where have those plans gone? I had schematics in my hand a moment ago. Matter of time till Ranrock sets things right.
Petrificus Totalis. We're being watched. By a door.
Watch your step round here. Ranrock cannot know there was a human here.
Wah,
But then he surrendered now.
Allah.
Find him!
Confringo!
That was a little more than I'm used to.
I'll get us through here safely, Amit.
Sorry ya.
You have my word.
Kalian yang nyuruh gua ngelakuin itu.
Revelio. We won't get through as long as we can be
Banyak
seen by
sesuatu
that
gitu, guys,
eye.
President.
Right. Don't wish to be seen, do we?
Accio.
Nothing, nggak ada yang efek, ya udah.
Revelio. Confringo. Revelio.
Something here. Gimana caranya naik sana? Lewat sini deh.
Accio.
Gimana caranya naik ke sana, guys?
Bombarda. Confringo. Defender.
Nah, naik ke sananya gimana? Itu ada chest itu.
Revelio. Accio. Revelio.
Oh ah,
I feel like a character from one of the adventure books I read during the summer holidays.
Let's take a look around, Armit. See if we can find any plans.
A schematic? There must be more notes around here. What could they be building?
banyak banget tapi kok nggak bisa. Terus gimana cara naiknya?
Revelio.
I'm quite good at sneaking about. You'll see.
Patricus Totalis.
You will regret coming here.
Fascinating to see gobbledygook written in a goblin.
Revelio.
The flourishes are extraordinary. Let me know if you see any more plans or schematics. We can't return to Lodgok empty-headed.
Koin semua sih. Gimana caranya biar bisa sibal salah jalan guys. Ini tempat tadi nyerang goblin tadi. Terus lewatnya mana? Nanti nggak bisa diambil tuh chestnya di sana.
Revelio.
Biarlah.
If I'm translating this correctly, and I think that I am, they're building something rather large. But what?
Bombarda.
I will get to the bottom of what they've been building down here. Clever.
Ada yang datang. Please kesini, please. Kemana dia?
Who's that?
Confringo. Defender. Expelliarmus. Bombarda. Expelliarmus.
You call that spellcasting? One less.
Bombarda. Defender. Expelliarmus. Bombarda.
Let's get this over. Spells glance off of us. You can't stop us. Was that your best? Why is coming back this way?
Expelliarmus. Confringo. Defender.
This really is too much.
Stay close. I've handled much worse.
Another boiler. This place is more complex than I had expected.
Confringo. Revelio.
Ada yang bisa diklaim?
Another schematic. What are they going to build? This mine is too small for whatever it is.
Wih, ada jalan naik. Oh, enak banget posisinya, guys. Cepet-cepet beli meja sama kursi gue biar enak.
Revelio. Depulso.
Sebelah sananya lewat mana sini? Nggak ada cash.
Revelio.
Di situ. Astaga.
Depulso.
Oh iya. Di bosnya nggak mau narik sih dia.
Accio. Revelio.
Masuknya lewat mana lagi? Oh, sini ya. full. Kok bisa sih gearnya full?
Revelio.
Udah keambil ya? Kayaknya belum keambil deh.
Cabalso.
Dibakar kah?
Confringo. Expelliarmus. Bombarda.
Bisa lewat sini guys. Harus lewat mana ini?
Revelio.
Langsung aja lah ya, kita kejar aja lah ya. Di sini.
The area's still clear. If anybody cares.
Ramai banget.
Revelio.
Trail ini ramai banget guys.
Bombarda. Expelliarmus. Confringo. Defender.
Let's get this over with. Who do you think you are? You are what's supposed to get away.
Expelliarmus. Confringo.
You're making this
Defender.
That was meant to be. Not quite.
Confringo.
Nice try.
Defender.
Impressed?
Bombarda.
I've been fighting since before you were born. You won't stop me. Enough of this nonsense.
Confringo. Defender.
Let's try.
Ini gue butuh ini nggak, Ringo kayaknya nggak terlalu sakit deh. Ini gue ganti ini. Barda gue taruh sini.
Easily diverted. Your spell's
Defender. Bombarda. Confringo.
best the likes of me. It's really.
Bombarda.
What was that?
Confringo. Defender. Glacier. Confringo. Defender. How many of them are there? That should be the last of them I'll meet.
Ada yang bisa dibalik lagi nggak? Banyak banget guys, sampai panas mata gua. Terus kita ke
Accio. Revelio. I'll be quiet.
Revelio. Confringo.
This is not good. They're building enormous drills, bigger than this mine could contain.
Oh,
Let's get out of here and tell Lodgok what we found. There must be a quicker way out of here than retracing our steps.
mana dia? Ada jalan keluar lebih cepat kah? Nggak ada kan? Penuh terus. Yang hijau nggak ada, apa yang hijau? Biar enak gua buangnya yang hijau. Nah, kayak ini kan enak buangnya nih. Berat mana? Harus jalan yang lebih cepat apa buat keluar? Harus jalan yang tadi. Gue lupa lagi jalan tadi yang mana. Kesini kan tadi. Tapi beda ya. Kok ada tutupannya sekarang?
Revelio.
Sumpah gue lupa tadi keluarnya lewat mana. Kalau gue kena angin aja masuk angin, tapi kira ini panas. Oh, lewat sini tadi, astaga.
Confringo.
Bisa ikut sini. Ada chest ya?
Revelio. Confringo. Confringo.
Gue lupa jalannya kemana guys.
Accio.
tinggalin si Amit.
Revelio.
Nice.
Can we please?
That wasn't so bad, was it?
It was. It really was. I'm afraid I've had enough adventure for one day. For a lifetime, perhaps.
Thank you, Amit. I couldn't have done it without you. Now, if you don't mind, I'd like to have a word with Lodgok.
Understood? I'll leave you to it. Your goblin secrets are safe with me, but I get to write the book about this escapade someday. Without further ado, adieu.
Adieu. Kita ngobrol lagi sama Lodgok ya.
They're building enormous drills. We found their plans. Ranrock must be searching for the repositories.
I fear you are correct. Other than Rookwood Castle, however, I do not know where else he plans to search.
I've been wondering about something else you said before we entered the mine.
Yes?
If you share Ranrock's views, then why are you helping me?
I expected Rookwood Castle to be deserted when I arrived to begin my search. So was surprised to find a witch there who had set up a sort of improvised research site. She was studying something so intently that she almost didn't notice me. When she looked up, I thought she would react with fear or disdain. But instead she did something that I will never forget. Without a moment's hesitation, she smiled and asked me to sit with her. She told me that she was a researcher and showed me a small, oddly shaped container with a strange symbol on it. She was certain it was made of goblin metal, but was unable to open it. She wanted to work together.
Miriam.
Yes. But how did you...
Professor Fig's wife. He told me of her research, and I know of the container.
Ah. The reverence with which she talked of goblins and their intelligence and skill, it caught me entirely off guard. I'd never been treated with such respect by a witch or wizard. So, to my surprise, I let her study the container if she would allow me to search the castle on my own. We parted ways, with her promising to share what she'd learned. More of Ranrock's recruits arrived, and we began to dig, eventually locating the first repository. Ranrock was thrilled with our discovery, but furious when I told him about Miriam. Berated me for trusting a witch, and I heard she had been killed.
You think Ranrock murdered her?
I don't want to believe it, but I don't know. After that, something shifted in me. I had seen how the power from the repositories was transforming Ranrock, transforming all of them. I could no longer remain a part of it.
Thank you, Lodgok, for telling me this.
I tell you all of this so that you understand what is at stake. Ranrock never found all of Bragbor's journals, but the ones he did find suggest that Bragbor at some point built a repository far greater in size than the one beneath Rookwood Castle. What you've discovered here today worries me deeply. If Ranrock learns of the location of that repository, I fear we shall be destined for a great war. I will find out what Ranrock knows. Watch for my owl.
Oh my god. Pernah jatuh hati kah? Nice.
Revelio.
Saya serang aja.
Glacius. Confringo. Bombarda. Defender.
Misalkan teman ya guys ya, nggak boleh dia apa-apain, nggak boleh jahit nih ya. Coba deh gue mau pakai skill ini. Nggak jadi apa-apa. Kita mau ngejual-jualin dulu aja guys ya. Kita ke Hogsmeade dulu deh. Mungkin ini dulu untuk video gua kali ini guys ya. Gua kayaknya lagi belum oke mau running beberapa quest, belum fit 100% kayaknya.
Thank you again for delivering those potions to Madame Lowen. Saved me a lot of time and trouble.
Mari kita jual-jualin
Here
dulu.
you found a bit of treasure in the forest. Was never one for adventure myself.
Penjual ini loh, jual aja kali ya. Langsung jual. Ini apa? Jual aja deh. Thank
I
you.
hope to see you again. Farewell.
Kita langsung ke identify itu ya. Semoga aja increase. Kita geser dikit apa dik? Nice. Langsung aja kita pakai ya. Lumayan nambah 2% guys. Kok defense sama offense kecil banget ya? Inventory. Atau ini buat apa ya? Mau nanti bisa ditelurin. Thunder bro. Wow, langsung kena 2 guys. Nanti dulu deh, mungkin bisa dipakai di lain waktu. Kita save dulu ya guys ya. Oke guys, mungkin itu dulu untuk video gua kali ini. Thank you banget yang udah nonton video gua sampai akhir. Mohon maaf guys karena belum bisa lama-lama, gua main sejaman kayaknya. Terus untuk video gua kali ini, thank you banget yang udah nonton video gua sampai akhir. Jangan lupa kalian subscribe channel YouTube gua, jangan lupa kalian like, share, jangan lupa kalian subscribe sih yang pasti ya, karena sangat membantu banget untuk kemaslahatan channel YouTube gua. Thank you banget guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.